Good morning, Room 15. Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend with your family. This is our fourth week of distance learning, and you will be finishing your independent study packet 2 by this Friday. So, there will be 3 videos today, and it's very important for you to watch all of them. Those videos will make the rest of your work much easier to complete successfully. This is the first one, and it's the intro video for this week's work. The second video is about how to cope with distance learning, and the third video is for the PLP Power Focus area, Alta California, and Mexican Empire. Thank you in advance for watching all of those videos. I also made a PowerPoint for your opinion writing, which I'll be showing you later during our Google Meet. Please refer to the PowerPoint when you write an opinion essay. Okay, this week's work. Let me give you a guideline in order for you to be successful. Math. Since we have finished the cool downs of the current PLP unit of study, fractions to decimals, we are solving problems using Math in Focus Textbook B. However, I'm concerned that some of you have not submitted cool downs yet. We already did cool downs together, but if you missed out on that Google Meet or still found it difficult to do, please meet me during my office hours from 1 to 2 via Google Meet. I can help you one-on-one. Don't forget to use the same Google Meet link. Social Studies. Today we are continuing Chapter 5, Lesson 2. And by this Friday, you will be finishing Lesson 3 in your Social Studies textbook. If you don't have a textbook, use the link that I have provided on Google Classroom. Okay? Our daily reading. For Newsela, Khan Academy, and iReady, please know that I need to go in and count. I was a little concerned for some of you who didn't complete the tests. Make sure you have done all the assigned Newsela articles with the quizzes submitted. You have more than 10 articles, and you must have 10 iReady lessons total for 10 weekdays. I can see on my end how many iReady lessons you finished, how many articles you read, and how many Khan Academy lessons you finished. In order for me to give you credit for all your hard work you are doing, you need to make sure that you are doing your best and you do every assignment. I went into Khan Academy yesterday. I looked at who had done the lessons and quizzes so far. Some of you were doing the questions but not watching all the videos. Make sure that you know that the videos are as much of a part of the assignments as the actual questions. For your writing, I'll be guiding you at our Google Meet today. When you finish your opinion essay, make sure that you share that with me, okay? For PLP, let's not get behind on our red focus areas. Let's keep that up. Remember to share your notes, and when you are ready, request assignments during our regular PLP assessment time, which is 9 to 10 every day. Next week is spring break, right? Some of you were asking about our long-term projects and when you will be presenting. Your Social Studies PLP essay on how missions impacted California Indians and the triboard or diagram that you made, you will be presenting it during your small group time after spring break. So, be prepared and use your spring break to catch up all the work. You will be memorizing your presentation as well. Okay? And by the Great Horn Spoon Dodecahedron will be also presented after spring break. In other words, spring break is the time to catch up. I want you to know that teachers need to mark attendance, which means that we are checking students who are actively working on their assignments. So use the agenda that I have shared with you and send me the daily check-in Google form so that I know how you are doing. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? Alright, this is it. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck with all of your work. Okay, bye.